kalaban ng isang batang Pilipino prospect ay mumuntikan ng matigok matapos itong matamaan ng solido. Kahapon ay napalaban nga pala ang bagong aabangan nating boxing prospect na si Cyberjan Medicillo at kinarap nito ang kanyang pinakaunang banyagang makakalaban at ito ay si Mochammad Shomelin na kasalukuyang rank number 2 ng bansang Indonesia sa dibisyon ng light flyweight. Ito na mga idol ang pinakabagong batang hinuhubog ng RTC Ilorde, Cyberjan Medicillo, laban sa rank number 2 ng bansang Indonesia na si Mochammad Shomelin. Ito palang batang Pinoy na si Medicillo mga idol is may kartadang 5 panalo at 3 KO sa kanyang malinis na boxing record.
Pa-feedback na lang
kaya naman isa ito sa dapat nating aabangang boksingero mga idol.
Mochammad Shomelin from Indonesia.
Both of these fighters are fighting in a 105 division.
Again, another body going to the body, investing on the body early on this for Mochammad. Really Tampol watching us.
End of round number 1. I think the opponent of is looking one like a Filipino also. Both fighters are timing each other.
Tamilin partner is hanging low, he's trying to
napaka-orthodox ng mababa. O ayun partner usually yung mga ganyan susceptible, makaka-counter ka rin ng hook kung
yung kanyang mga haymakers, but Medicillo stays busy. Ayun, he fights to turn the tables around.
Are made dito sa Ilorde, puro Pilipino. So
very good performances and is wow, that is Medicillo, the Indonesian boxer is para sa ating fighter. He's unable to get.
We have a winner.